Karibuni.
Mwathani ageo goci njitagwo Ndumo wa Macharia. Uhonoku Kristo wa Mwathani ni agangirite ngoro yakwa. Ndenda guthoma tribute ya my brother on behalf ya my brother ndodo wa mutumia wake Wangari. Tribute to my dear wife. We created memories that will forever last. We shared the most wonderful moments. We loved and loved together. Your kindness, strength, and humility touched all, from family, friends, and those who knew you. My wife was more than just the love of my life. She was my best friend, my home, my safe place in a world that often felt too loud. I don't know how I am going to make it without her, but I know she is up there telling me to press on for the sake of our beautiful kids. It's hard without you here to keep me on track. Though she is gone from this world, she will never be gone from me. Her love runs through every part of whom I am. I carry her with me in every thought, every breath, every broken piece of my heart that still beats for her. I am forever grateful to God for the time He allowed you to be by my side, to be my wife and mother of our children. Goodbye, my wife. May your soul rest in peace.
Hi, my name is Karonji Jennifer, the daughter of the late Monica Karonji. I'm here to give my last respect to my mother. So, my mamito, it's me, your Daktari, your small koi and your danson. I really don't know how to say it or know what to say. Today, reality strikes the hardest, that we are now motherless. No more tender hugs and kisses, no more life lectures, no more mamito to annoy. Mom, you left us too soon. Though we may look all big and grown, we are still your small cheeky kids. We could still use a few more African mom teachings and sayings, maybe a few more lectures. I remember no matter how many times I and Danson fumble in any dominion in life, you always showed up to help us pick up ourselves and correct our ways. I wonder now, who will do that, Mama? But then again, Mom raised no weaklings, but a strong, fine young man and a tough young lady. You shaped us well, Mamito. It pains me that you will not be there to see us achieve and build our empires and legacies just as you did. You may not attend our graduations, our first day in campus, our junior high school, our first day at work, see us drive our first cars, maybe even not our rushes and weddings. Nor will you ever be there for your grandkids. But we know you're watching over us with the angels above, because you are a sweet angel, the most lovely heart and warmest smile I've ever seen. For the last time I see you, I love you, Mamito. Maybe I didn't tell you enough, times when I saw you. But today, I'll tell you for the last time, I'll tell you in every language I can, Mom. I love you, Momito, in English. I love you in Somali, Kujala. In Kajiado, Aher, Mama. Kanyer Naleng in Masai. Ndakunama Mama in Luya. Not to forget, our love for you is international. Je t'aime Mama in French, t'aime Mama in Spanish, and lastly, the best language of all, Negwede Mami. God, please take care of our lovely Momito as we send her to you. Goodbye, Mom. We release you, Momito. Safe journey. Keep some honey and milk for us for the day we shall meet.
Thank you, familia. Ni tribute ya Mr. Karoji o hamwe na mwari wake Ngai aromuhe hinya mahinda-inĩ maya. Gĩkundi gitũ kĩa Medium nĩ njũĩ Madam Karoji ararĩ wanyu mũno, koguo kahinda-inĩ gaka gĩkundi kĩa Medium nĩkĩo ngũgĩta nĩgetha gĩũke kĩ present rwĩmbo rwao. Wana Medium karibuni, wana Medium karibuni. Medium o haria mothe muri ukai ni njui arari wa gikundi giki na ni mweho mwambe muheo handu tutanaingira kihunjio-ini kia muthenya wa umuthi. Karibu.
Jehova kĩhingo kĩrũmu muthenya wa mĩnyamarĩko, ningĩ nĩaikaraga tĩĩa-inĩ na arĩa othe mamwĩhokete. Jehova kĩhingo kĩrũmu muthenya wa mĩnyamarĩko, ningĩ nĩaikaraga tĩĩa-inĩ na arĩa othe mamwĩhokete.
siku Tokeja engoya Enea etekia Ewa uangena vosuka Adigo kena ni adualia Imaeto kumenya Todomatika Tobaraine Emetekeretio Wanawara wade watoma Wanamite weye matege Eironi etikala luluka Yanarige zote nagusa Kadoni teregere yebuaya Agerera Marata manene Mariaga Yoda Kinaibo
Thank you medium, tuwapigie makofi. Kahinda-inĩ ga kwenda nĩnjũĩ kwĩna tribute nyingĩ mũno no nĩtũrĩciheana no tũkinye ikĩro kĩu kĩngĩ. Rekei tũkĩre na igũrũ ithuothe praise team mũtũtongoreirie na kĩgoco nĩgetha twĩharĩrĩrie gũthagania kiugo kĩa Ngai. Praise team karibuni, rekei tũkĩre na igũrũ nĩgetha twĩharĩrĩrie kũigua kiugo kĩa Ngai.
Henine dutitwo kũndũ kũraya Igũrũ rĩakwa Ngai akarigwo